Here we go, Superman 3 trading cards from Topps, made from back in 1983. Okay. No gum in here. We've got 2 stickers. Margot Kidder is Lois Lane. Christopher Reeve, that's a nice sticker. And stills from the movie here. Ultimate Computer Scheme, In the Nick of Time. What everybody wanted back in 1983, the checklist. Nice shot there. A hero once again. Into the Fray. Greeting Lana Lang. Saving Ricky's Life. We got Kryptonite, The Deadly Gift. The Only Way to Travel with Richard Pryor. There he is finally. And the last card, Gus Gorman is Zapped. So there you have it. Oh, there's the gum right there. But that is 1983 Superman 3 trading cards from Topps. Thanks for watching.